Happy hump day. Just want to show you right quick. Of course, you can see the Ego lawnmower in the background. You can also see the Ego trimmer here. What I wanted to bring to you is how easy it is to change out your line. Now you can see you've got that threaded through. That's the trimmer line. You can just pull it right out. And to put the other in, or to retread it, of course Ego makes their own line in. So to retread it is fairly easy. You're going to see right here where you've got two holes, one on each side. As you can see there. All I'm going to do is take your line and stick it straight through. And if you don't like this video, perhaps you can stick it. No, I'm just joking. Just joking. So, stick the line straight through. I'm going to pull it. You can see how long it is. So I'm going to lay this side down. Well, and I'm just going to pull this until it's even. All right. So here, just make sure it's even. Pull it all the way through. And as I pick this side back up, you can see now where I've got the line. You want to pull until it's evenly through on the very end. And all you're going to do, just take the top here, where you normally would take and spin to prolong your line or lengthen your line if it's getting too short when you're trimming. You're just going to take it, you're going to put it, and I'm going to move this around so you can see here. So as you can see there, you're just going to take it, you're going to move it in the opposite direction. Now, watch the line, which this is all the line that I'm going to retread inside. And all you're doing here is taking this and you're moving it clockwise rather than counterclockwise. When you move it clockwise, as you can see, and to do that, there again, all you got to do is just take this, hold the back side, push in, and then spin clockwise. Now there's a couple of gnats out here, so sorry for the interruption. So just spin clockwise, make sure you keep your line, try to keep it as even as possible. And mine's off, but push and just keep going. And I'll show you the finished product, so I'm just going to continue to spin and show you here. So there's my line. I've retracted all of it within our housing here and continue to spin, which is pretty neat, pretty easy to do so because you don't have to disassemble anything. Now there again, I'm just taking it and I'm spinning clockwise. Okay? So that line, which was once long, is now thin. Got it down, as you could tell. I wasn't as diligent as I told you to be, rather than keeping your lines even here. But I did want to bring you this. So this is redoing the line on your Ego trimmer. One of the things I did want to bring you, one of the reasons why I did want to bring you this is to show how easy it is. Be sure to tune in to my other channel, which is primarily all automotive, programming your garage, changing out, as you can see, the Mercedes-Benz with the AMG wheels on it, changing out the battery, spark plugs, things of that nature on Mercedes-Benz, Volvo, pretty much everything.